Oh yeah. I can't. We're
oh no. We're the only ones on here?
Yeah, apparently.
Is that park closed?
Oh no.
It's kind of hot.
Oh
In
god.
here. Oh, it's hot in here.
Hey, Ruben, se lo perdió, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay. Hello. Can you bring me a hot dog, I need? I am very hungry.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Attention in roller coaster. At this time, roller coaster is experiencing.
No. No.
The vehicle may start moving at any time. Please remain seated.
What is that?
Thank you, boys. Hi, guys. My name is Alex. We're going to start talking.
What?
We are friends. I just see your shoulders. That's it. Part in the back.
Wait, what did that?
I don't know.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Your payment created.
Attention in roller coaster. At this time, roller coaster is experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated. The vehicle may start moving at any time. Please remain seated.
We're stuck in the middle of the roller coaster, bro. Say bye, say hello, guys. Say hello. These are our friends. We made friends, dude.
What she said?
I'm not going to physically get you guys out of the train. I'm just verifying that you guys are in the brakes. The operations team will be on their way up to get you out.
Awesome, thank you.
So it should be a couple more minutes.
No worries, thank you very much.
Okay, watch face.
Why did we get stuck?
Watch face.
What?
Welcome to guards. At this time, roller coaster is experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated. Cast members are on the way right now to assist you. Please remain seated and they'll be on the way shortly. Thank you.
We can't get up.
What? Yeah, it's because we're stuck right here. Like, totally stuck. Yeah. Yeah, because there's no other block breaks in the ride.
No, the other one's right up.
Oh yeah, the only other blocks are up there. I've only got 5%. I don't know. I've only got 5% on my battery, so.
You're lucky.
Yeah, you're lucky. Mom and Mom's magic band fell off and she's sad. Yeah, we don't know where it is. I told her she
Hi.
Is anyone hurt? No?
My feelings are hurt.
So am I. 'Cause I'm supposed to be off in like 10 minutes. All right. So we're gonna have to get you guys off. Let me just make sure the. Yeah.
So just a little bit of safety information for you guys. If you all look over to that side of the train, there's a very sudden drop over there. So we're all going to exit on this side and this side only. Everybody got it?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Cool. So everybody raise your right hand. Right hand. As much as you can. That's the side you're exiting on.
Do not exit on the left. Or back.
So the other bit of information, I know you guys want to have your phones out so you can record this lovely thing, but we're going to be going down flights of stairs, over a bunch of wires. There's going to be some high things, so we do need all phones put away while we're getting you guys out.
But you'll get to experience it in person.
Gotcha. All right, so. Well, you get you guys out.
Or maybe as we're walking through.
I was ready.
Hi, how are you, buddy?
Sorry? Yeah, you're freaking thing that's
Let me come on here. Oh no!
You were making them laugh. We are the same. You have to make it exciting.
Please, for your safety. Ready?
You know I'm gonna go talk to Mickey right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be like, so you be like, Daddy, show me I can get backstage. I want to see Sydney right now. I want to really fast. Nice and easy, guys. You see, this is the backstage.
What? There's storage?
Now. Yeah. It's like they give you to work it out. You're in training. Yeah. I'm saying the green light, guys. She's going to look like that with me. Glasses. Nice.
Hi, how are you, buddy?
Sorry, yeah, you're freaking thing that's fun. Boy, my first one to go.
I'm a her.
Oh, well, I am the second. This is my first time from Campus. And hopefully the last one. Let's be honest. Let's be real. You know I'm gonna go talk to Billy right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be like, you know what? So you mean like that? Hopefully I can get back. I want to see Cindy right now. I want to be ready. You don't want to be in LA anymore. She's perfect. We're gonna go back to LA. Nice and easy. You see? This is the backstage.
Storage?
Yeah. It's like they took you to work. I'm the kid. You're in training. Say the green light. Follow the yellow green road.
Everyone who's tall like me, watch your hip right here, okay?
Attention, roller coaster. At this time, roller coaster is experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated. The vehicle may start moving at any time. Please remain seated.
And hold this. Hold the ground. Wait, this isn't part of the road? Yeah. Because it doesn't get rained on. Yeah, this is how it's made. This is what I do every day. I just come and I just look at this. This is the only right that is the right here. FPL is happy about this. FPL is... La estás cansando, ¿verdad? La estás cansando. Yo no se hubiera dejado allá, ¿no? Me parece show. Yeah, don't fall. Yeah, it wouldn't be a good idea to fall. No. I can see no cleaning here. I'm going to talk to your manager. Mickey, bring Mickey right now. Go sit down there. Oh, you're right. I'm gonna actually go to Aerosmith. Should I go? Aerosmith? Aerosmith? If I were here, you'll find me them eating my lunch. Oh, just that simple. Good Aerosmith. Well, you guys probably have a nice, work. Oh, look at this. Where you guys want to bring it.
Don't forget if you're tall to watch your head, please. Wait, he did. Wait, what?